All right, customer is interested in replacing their front steps at a later time, but right now they're looking at getting some tuck pointing and just some repair work done. So the first place is that small area about 6 inches by 14 inches will need to be replaced, cut out and replaced. And then along here, there's a crack right here that we need to widen and add some cement to it in order to tuck point that crack. Also along the back area here, behind their urn, there's another crack that needs to get sealed up. And then finally, most of their sides is going to need to have some work done on it as well. This is just kind of a temporary fix that they want till they can replace it in the future. So you can see right here and along the back side. So this is that part is first and foremost. For the future plans, they're looking at replacing these steps with Fond du Lac and Dolomite risers and probably Dolomite tread stock. And coming off, and actually these are going to have buttresses. So the front step is going to go in front of everything, but then the buttresses will start at the second step and will be 10 inches taller than the landing. So to the left here, they're looking at installing a patio. We didn't really discuss material because it's still in the future, but I told them we could give them a starting point. So for the time being, let's bid it with bluestone, just so that way we have a starting point to go with. So it's going to be basically in this alcove from the corner of the house to 3 feet beyond this step. There will also be a sitting wall that goes around a curved area over here. The customer, I'm going to walk to the front now. The customer is looking at the tiering their front lawn here. So as you can see here, they've got approximately 50, well, it's got 9 risers, that's 6, that's 54 inches approximately of drop along here. So they're looking at tiering the wall, okay, along here to be split between the two. There's a plus minus of about 2 inches for this sidewalk. So minus 2 inches at the right and plus 2 inches over here at the left. So it will be coming along the driveway here and following the grade as we come along here till we get over to these steps right here. And these steps were going to be, she really liked the look of those granite slabs. So these are going to be 3 foot wide pieces of granite slab steps. And they're going to be 4 risers here. And then to the left, it's just, we're going to leave it as is because they're eventually going to do an addition on their back. And they don't know quite what they're going to do over here. So we're just going to bid it to end it at the steps. For the time being, also, they would like a bid on their front steps to be replaced with granite. These are 4 feet wide, okay, 4 feet wide, and they're about 6 inches tall, so it's a good height for it. We're going to bid it as if it's going back in place here, but they'll probably end up moving it over to the side like this, and then having some sort of curve going into their steps. Right now, we're just going to deal with the steps and the wall that go through it as if it is right now, because they want to know what their starting point is as far as the price is concerned. And then around the side here, we're also going to have obviously the wraparound part of the wall that goes up to the point where the driveway meets grade over here, which is, I believe, 34 feet or whatever I have it written as. The stone combination that we discussed was Dolomite and Fond du Lac mix. I told her they had also requested an estimate to have stone put around their door up there, but I think that they're shying away from that in place of perhaps putting little bump-up pillars at the front of their house instead.